Introducing the Axis 3D Printer Kit. Starting from just £99, it is the perfect project for anyone wanting to delve into the futuristic world of 3D printing. Standard features of the Axis 3D printer include automatic bed leveling, a large 200 by 300 by 200 mm build volume, an all-metal construction, a 24-volt power supply, a molded steel filament drive gear, and an all-metal hot end. Take things further by mixing and matching up to 6 official different upgrades. Our most recommended would be the Power Pack, which includes an LCD screen with SD card reader and SD card, plus 2 sample rolls of PLA filament, a silicone cover for the hot end, and a set of 5 brass and steel nozzles. The FlexPlate upgrade makes removing prints effortless. Simply lift the magnetic plate from the platform and flex. The heated bed is an important upgrade for printing materials like ABS, and to also prevent parts from warping, especially if you're going to be putting your printer in a cold environment. The TMC 2208 drivers enable the Axis to run smoother and quieter. The upgrade includes 3 of these drivers, 2 for the X and Y axis plus 1 spare. The dual extrusion upgrade allows you to print with 2 materials at once, creating interesting multi-material prints that have a unique look and potentially function also. The OctoPrint upgrade attaches a camera to the Axis 3D printer and lets you control it over your home Wi-Fi network to start, stop, and monitor prints. The Axis 3D printer is entirely open source, with a majority of its parts being standard off-the-shelf components, readily available on sites like eBay and Amazon. The firmware that runs the printer is also the popular and open source Marlin. Preparing an object for printing is done with the MakerTech edition of Cura. Simply download or create a model, open it in Cura, hit prepare, and it's ready for printing. The design of the Axis 3D printer is ready for production, and with the strong links we already have with suppliers from our previous 3D printer Kickstarters, we're very confident that we'll be able to deliver on time. Our printer is priced low, so we really need your help to build the buying power in order to purchase parts in bulk. So please back us today and share the project as much as you can. Thank you.